A rotational blend is created using sections that are rotated about an axis of revolution. To activate the rotational blend command, from the drop-down list of the shapes, select the rotational blend. And my section tab is highlighted red, which means I have to define my sketch. Click this define here, and I'm going to select my front plane and click on sketch. Go to sketch view, and I'm going to draw a center rectangle here. Select the center rectangle and select my center point here and my end point here and give a check mark to it. Since I haven't defined my internal center line, I have to define the axis of the revolution. So go to the sections tab and select this y-axis as my axis of the revolution. Click on the insert to add the sketch, and now my new sketch plane is offsetted at an angle of 45 degrees from the section 1. Click on sketch, go to sketch view, and this time I'm going to draw a circle. Click the center point and draw a circle like this. Since my rectangle has 4 vertices, I have to define my vertices of my circle using the divide command. I'm going to divide my circle into the 4 segments and give a check mark to it. Now you see the preview of my rotational blend which is created. And to add the additional new sketch, go to the section tab again and click on insert. This time I'm going to define my sketch plane using the reference. And I'm going to select my right plane here and go to sketch view. Select the circle, and this time I'm going to again draw another circle and use the divide command to divide this circle into the 4 segments. Select the divide, and I'm going to make this as a start point here and divide it into 4 segments. And give a check mark to it. Now you see that there is a regeneration failure here. That is, my section 3 is before my section 1. To bring my section 3 at the top, use the move up command. And now you see the preview of my rotational blend again. You can also create your rotational blend as a surface by selecting this surface tool here. And if I go to the options tab, I have an option called the capped ends, which closes the ends of my surface. And you can also add thickness to your rotational blend by using this thicken sketch command. Let me provide a value of 10. You can also flip the direction of your thickness by using this invert tool here. You can also create your blended surface as a straight blended surface or a smooth blended surface. And also in the options tab, I have an option called connect end in the start section. It connects the start and end section of my rotational blend. And now I'm going to explain the tangency options which are available. I'm going to click the start section and right mouse button and select the tangent. I'm going to select this surface here and this. Right now you see that there is a minor changes occurring and also a tangency constraint is displayed at my start section. Let me click my end section here and click on the right mouse button, and this time I am going to select the normal. So my end section is normal to the surface which I have selected here, and also a normal condition is applied on it. This time I am going to explain the Rotational Blender Cut. From the drop down list of the Shapes Overflow menu, click on the Rotational Blend. Since I have drawn my sketch already, I am going out with the selected sections options. I am going to select my first section here and go to the sections tab and click on the insert command and select my end section. Now you see that there is a twist in the model. So I'm going to click this vertex here and just drag it like this to the other end. And now I don't have any twist in my model. So I'm going to remove my material here. Click this remove material. So this is the preview of my rotational blended cut.